Okay, so right now we are trying to test the difference between these two Snowstorm from China. So this one of them, this one is the newest one, this one, the super good one, and this one is the older one, this one. Everybody uses this. So we start with this one first. Okay, so here's the result. How do you feel? Do you feel everything come out or not? Not exactly, right?
Not exactly.
I mean, yeah, we are not biased, but you see, there are like lots of things stuck together. Lots of them still stuck together. Okay, so still lots of them stuck together. Like this, you can see like this. There are like a lot of them stuck together.
Some stuck over here.
Okay, so you see, it's still flowing. Now it's super windy lah, so you can see the difference. So this thinner one is a new one. This thicker one is a old one. So the new one is super thin and it comes out like real, like very snowy feeling. You can see those transparent one is a new one, but those white one is an old one. So what do you feel? I mean, you honestly tell me lah.
The new one very soft.
Very soft, right?
Like
You can feel it scatter nicer, right?
Scatter nicer.
More bigger, right? Yeah. Okay. So that's the comparison.